Alright, now the inside of the van. Well, it's -4 Fahrenheit here, so it's pretty cold, so it's a good thing we got the heater going again. That was nice. But yeah, just to update you where we are. We've got the fantastic fan installed, or no, MaxxAir fan, sorry, MaxxAir. And we've got our solar panels installed on the roof. I'll show you those in a second. And those wires come down here through a waterproof box, and then they just run over to here. So that's that. And then we drilled holes in the side of the van here. 1 and 2. And as you can see, we got the wiring. This is all the default wiring from the vehicle, as well as a backup camera wire, which is right there. And then also we have our speakers, rear speakers, which will be installed. That's one right there, and the other one's just hanging down there. Those will probably go there and there. But yeah, so now we have all of the wiring internally routed. I had to finish the wires for the MaxxAir fan here. But we also have the head unit installed, which is nice. That took a little bit of effort, but that's good. Yeah, I think we've got almost all the wiring that had to be configured. So I had to splice all the wires. As you can see, looks like this. These are the crimps that we used, and they're waterproofed. So I had to splice those, and then I had to make a few more splices up here, which you can't really see. It's behind the metal, but so that's all inside there. And then to keep that safe, and we just use these little inch diameter or so rubber grommets. So we drilled holes in the metal using a bit that looked like this. It's like a metal hole saw, and the grommets look like that. So they run through there. I have 2 here, so I've got on the bottom, like I said, in this trough, it's zip tied down, and then running through that hole, I've got my low current wires, so all the factory stuff, all 12 volt, low current, and then the high current is going to run through on the upside of this, on here, hang on here, and then every time I go, I have another hole every time I have to go through the metal again with a grommet. So that's to keep the 2 currents separate, to minimize any noise and signal loss. From my experience, sometimes when you have low current and high current wires running next to each other, you can mess up your signal wires. Like I've got those speaker wires going with the low current for that reason as well. So yeah, that's it for the van right now. Got the floor done, heater done, wiring changed, and now I just have to, before I go to installation, I've got to drill a hole for the tank underneath and do the DC AC wiring for lights, kitchen, fridge, all that stuff. So yeah,